What if Claude could watch and analyze your videos in real time? Up until this point, we've been told that Claude is not capable of watching videos, and that is because it doesn't have a video model. But what if we created a skill that was capable of doing this exact same process? Well, that's exactly what we've done. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how that skill was created, how you can use it completely for free, and show you a live example of how it can analyze 2 videos. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, first of all, you might be wondering, why is this relevant? Well, analyzing video is something that is very, very important. And what we've done until this point is basically just give AI a transcription of the video. The problem is that video is more than just sound for a reason. That is because the video transmits a lot of information. So if we just give a transcript to any LLM, and we do not give it the rest of the video, we're probably missing out half or more of the information. Let me give you a random example. If we're watching a recipe, it's very good that the chef is commentating, but if we can't actually see what's going on, we're missing a lot of the value and instructions. So what we've done is we found a skill that works around this problem, because Claude is capable of analyzing text, Claude is capable of analyzing images, but it is not capable of analyzing videos. So what this skill does is very simple. It basically pulls a transcription from an entire video and it chops the whole video into screenshots. It takes a screenshot every single second. And what it does is it links the part of the transcript to the exact second that frame was taken in. That way, Claude has access to both things, the transcription of what was said and the screenshot of that particular moment in which the person making the video said that thing. That way, we get the visual and also the audio. And this way, Claude can conduct an excellent analysis. This is very useful for anyone who works a lot with video, anyone who's analyzing competitors in social media, or just anyone who's interested in doing video analysis. Now, I'm going to show you a live practice of how this works, and we have created everything for you. The skill is done, but in complete transparency, you are going to need to install 3 things before you can do this practice. The good thing is I've left a document in the description. It's completely free. You don't need to give me your email, absolutely anything. You're going to find a Drive folder that has the skill and the instructions on how to install it, because we're going to install 3 things. But from a non-technical standpoint, the first tool is called YouTube-DLP. It basically allows us to save videos from pretty much any platform that hosts videos. So that's how we can download the video. The second tool is FFmpeg, and what it does is it chops up the video so that we can have our screenshots. By the way, these videos are completely free and these tools are old school. They've been in the market forever and they've been more than used and tested. So don't worry, it's nothing new, nothing crazy. It's completely safe to use and download. And finally, in case you download your video from a platform that is not YouTube, therefore it does not bring transcription already, that's the cool thing about YouTube, we also added a tool which is going to transcribe videos for you. Again, the instructions to download everything are going to be in the description in a link, but I recommend you watch the practice first, and then if you like it, you can go ahead and follow the instructions. They're going to be simple and meant for non-technical users, so don't worry, even if you don't feel too confident, you can do it easily, okay? So let's jump into the live practice, guys. Okay, so first of all, we've gone to Claude Code, which if you don't know, you need to download Claude's free desktop application in order to access. And what we've done is we've just created a folder called Video Practice, which I actually have right here. Okay, and I've added 2 videos. These 2 videos are from our own YouTube channel. So I'm going to do a long video and a short video. This video is very interesting. I'm going to just mute it myself. You can watch it if you want. It's basically how you can create images in Canva from Claude. So you prompt and it generates images. And the thing about this video is exactly what I was saying at the beginning. If you don't watch the actual video, you're missing out on so much because, for instance, I'm going to be making this carousel directly from prompting. All of these images were generated with a prompt. You don't see that in the transcription, right? So it's very important that you actually see what is going on so that you can understand the video, okay? So that's the first one. And then the second one, which funny enough, is just a very short video, funny meme of what happens when you run out of your tokens, and it's just me being pissed off. There's nothing else. So here there's no sound, there's no voice or anything. So if you don't get the visuals, you get no information, right? So we're going to test both of these examples. So I've downloaded both of these and I've put them into this folder. I've called it long video and short video just to make our life easy. And I prepared a prompt. So first thing you'll see, I wrote /watch by Centella. This is basically the name of the skill. So we've called it like this, and when you install it, it will probably also have this name unless you ask it to have a different name for you. And this is just how we invoke the skill that we have created. And then I just mentioned the specific video I want it to find within my folder. I called the folder video practice. If you see, this is called video practice. Okay, I've given it access to this folder. And I said, I want you to analyze this video as a content strategist and give me 2 things. Number 1, the hook, the first 15 seconds, what's said and what's on screen. That way we can actually test if this is working. And number 2, any visual a transcript alone would miss. Okay, we're going to send it in and just put it to work. And then keep in mind, guys, this video is I think 7 minutes long, 8 minutes, 7 minutes long. So this is going to be a lot of screenshots. This is going to be a long transcription. So it's going to be a good test to see how efficient this is. Okay, and guys, while we're waiting for the result, I just wanted to let you know about one thing, and that is that we're hosting a free weekly AI class for beginners every single Monday of the year. And I basically teach you something live, and you can sign up completely for free in the link of the description down below. You can interact with me in chat, ask me anything that you want, and hey, it's an hour of learning, and we look at different demos, things like this, just live and for non-technical beginners. So if you're interested, I'll see you there. And now let's go back to the video. All right, guys, so here is our response, and I'm honestly super happy with it. So first of all, it says exactly what we see in the beginning on screen. So first of all, it said, okay, what happened during the hook? Here it said the transcription, which that's easy to get. What about on screen? So there is a custom wall of 6 finished Instagram carousel tiles, which are orange and black. Branded Opus 4.8 just changed the game. Okay, let's see that. Oh, there we go. These are our 6, and in fact, Opus 4.8 changed the game. There you go, guys. Look at the potential of this. Incredible. Let's see. What else is here? Visual information that the transcript alone would miss. First of all, there is an animation in second 3 to second 6. Let's see if that's correct. Second 3, zooms in. Claude appears suddenly. Okay, and now we have Claude Canva animation, which began in second 6. Incredible, guys. What else do we have here? We have an ironic B-roll at 141 when I mentioned no code is needed. So let's see. And here we go. And there's exactly the transition in 141. Amazing. What else? Claude's design candidate grids. That's from 416 to 5. So let's see. From 416. Yep, these are the options that it was giving me for me to pick the ideal design. Incredible, guys, as you can see. And what else? Finally, we have a final merge table on 502. Let's see. Yep, here we go. Here I'm picking all the options that I liked in the video, and I'm giving my final selection in a table, as you can see, of everything that I picked. Incredible, guys. Now let's go check out the second practice. Okay, guys, now let's do our second example with our short video. I again have the same folder, and I've just prepared this prompt. Again, I invoke the skill. I mentioned now I want you to look at the short video within that folder, and I say analyze as a content strategist, excuse me, and find what does the main character do during the video. So again, if I don't have the visual, I can't do this. What is the visual setup? So where is he? Add on-screen text or captions and when they appear, and anything that the visual transcription would miss. Okay, so pretty straightforward. We're just gonna send this in once again, and this is gonna take a minute or 2, and I'll show you the analysis as soon as we have it. Now, here's our second video. Remember, this was this short, funny video with no sound. So let's see what it said. Headline, the moment Claude says, and quote box, you've reached your usage limit and you realize you've been using it completely wrong. And that is exactly what it says here. So it did a very good job at reading that text. Now, what does the main character do? From second 0 to 4, he's frozen and staring at the laptop. Okay, he's moving, staring at the screen. From second 4 to 5, he does a facepalm and puts his head in his hands. And from 5 to 7, he slams the laptop shut. That is exactly what I do. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Hands to my head, and then I slam the laptop closed. So as you can see, it pretty much watched the video. This works perfectly. What else? Visual setups. It's vertical. The background is dark. We have some wood panel. That's actually what we have. Incredible. Subject, a young man in a polo. Apple Watch visible. It's not an Apple Watch, but it's a smartwatch. We'll give it to it. Fine. There's a silver MacBook. Correct. And it is closed at the end. The lighting, there's a single light source. Correct. That's that big light that blinds me every time. So guys, it saw it incredibly. It worked perfectly. So guys, as you can see, this is a real use case that you can actually use. So if you're interested, you have all of the information in the description so that you can use the skill, replicate it, and the instructions for you to install it. I hope that you enjoyed, and remember, we post 2 YouTube videos per week, just like this one, showing you free content. So if you like this video, subscribe and activate the notifications bell. And remember that we host a free weekly class for beginners in which we do live practices like this, explained for non-technical users. You can interact with me, and it's completely free. You can sign up in the link in the description for that as well. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.